A committee was assigned to tour a factory to judge its efficiency. These people were shown the various departments where many large machines were making a great deal of noise. Then they were led to a much smaller and quieter room, containing nothing but control panels. One of them said, "This isn't very important, nothing's happening here." The guide smiled, "Oh, but you misunderstand, sir. This is the most important room of all. This is where the power is distributed to the entire factory." There's a lesson in that for us. In the Christian life, the place of prayer is the power room. We need a quiet place where we can be alone with God. In such a place, we can speak to Him and reverently allow Him to speak to us as we meditate on His Word. In Matthew 6:6, Jesus taught the value of intimate fellowship with heaven, which can be attained only in the sacred solitude of our prayer closet. He did not discourage public prayer, but He did warn against the evil of seeking attention by parading our piety before others. How long has it been since you've shut the door on the distractions of life and poured out your heart before the Father's throne? Kneeling keeps you in good standing with God.